Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I am very well. And I am today crypto market crypto project crypto Launchpool Yumi DeFi wait token and project will be initially released Yumi DeFi for spot GUSD or wait to share 3 lakh 75,000 wait token, and this token deposit option link, if you would join this and deposit now, I'll click this 25 and December 70 2025, and look at this token information like worth 2,85,000 weight and price full per hour 1,424.11 weight WET, and maximum stacking amount for you 0.05 USD. In WET and price pool per hour 535.71 with, and hourly reward amount per user 50,000 WT, and maximum stacking amount per user 1 with 10 stacking. Now everyone look at this option. Advance, you can stack your asset before the official launch of the project to ensure your reward distribution. The system will distribute token reward to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of assets. And reward boost user who stake the USD can 4.4 it. And look at this, login, you get at least 0.05 with USD or 1 WD. Click now option and get Launchpool FAQ option. Actions by volume processing over 1 billion in daily volume, roughly 35% of all spot DEX activity, unlike traditional automated market makers. And unlike traditional automated market maker and MMS, short meaning MMDY, is a with institutional grade and execution WT with and makes up like join and visit this pre-sale 10% and 100% unlocked at TZ, and foundation 40% and an 8% unlocked at TZ, remaining unlocked linearly over 24 month ecosystem 25% option, and but not invest. And thank you so much. Innovative stacking your newly listed token for other token opportunities. Please exit. Number 3 will be result in number 4 in case of discrepancies between the translate and the English original English version, the English version shall prevail. Even is not affiliated with Apple links the service, see the user location. And risk, the project may involve significant risks in various aspects, including operation, underlying inherent risks, requiring advanced technical and financial knowledge. The project you participate in may experience significant price volatility, with price potentially rising or falling sharply. And due to issue related to the underlying technology of the project or the gate trending platform, you may be unable to withdraw all or part your asset from the project. Number five, no risk warning. Like cryptocurrency does not provide any form of margin, price commitment, or downside protection, and bearing them before participating. While the platform strong warning of potential risks, guarantee or compensation. So, if you want, let's go to this token website. Look at this Humidify says leaderboard option like rank option information, no more other information, and later for internet capital market and this decentralized exchange by volume processing over 1 billion in daily volume, and roughly 35% of all sport desk activity, unlike traditional automated market maker, institutional great market making logic. একটা project পাইলাম। Leverage every investment and market context and problem. Look at this. Traditional MMs are traditional MMs are a performance. They are strategic liquidity. Carbon cannot adapt in real time and pricing that cannot react to real time market condition and capital insufficiency insufficiency with a fund spread across price range instead of concerted where trading worry that degrade execution quality and lack of user pricing then toxic arbitrage or informed boots and Bennu and Fairs. Environmental loss of and poor capital efficiency for seeing returns on capital. Traders face wide spread and high slippage, wielding for execution quality for retail user. As the DFA has matured, these limitations have become glaring. User want six level execution without sacrificing custody, tight speed, and transparency. And rise of Prof MM on Solana market has already begun and to involve Proof MM now account for nearly 75% of index volume and humidify power over 60% of all proof MM activity. From 10% to 70% of total DEX share in roughly a year. Proof M buying active data driven liquidity to Solana liquidity that moves with the market, not behind its humidify is the market leader and leveling up Solana to DFA version and the humidify solution with the liquidity framework and predicted quoting and quotas curves. Settlement of chain intelligence heavy competition happens of chain while custody settlement, and accounting remain entirely on Solana. Retail users are first class citizen and differ congestion. And this architecture reduces healthier secondary markets from day one, gives traders execution quality that and composability with RFQ solutions. Existing on chain routing and protocols unlock efficacious solution and core architecture and world front ওয়ার্ড ফ্রন্টের জন্য ভালো করে পড়তে পারতেছি না কি লিখছে ভালো করে ফ্রন্টটা and humidify is designed especially for Solana level design like humidify consists of on-chain program humidify costing and engine in proprietary often sourcing internal market making logic historical user outcomes. And Louis owns our and off-chain oracle that continuously stream market data into Humidify. A single oracle trick can update quotas across all supporter markets, and frequent low-cost update let Humidify react nearly instantly to market moves without overloading the network, and come from in millisecond and hundred of fools can update quotas of a single volatility and components core components and priority liquidity logic humidify coding engine is proprietary and instead of blacklisting addresses humidifies engine adapt to adver- adversarial behavior in real time, maintaining healthy and spread and execution quality. An off-chain oracle of predictive model and a world-class HFT model for an off-chain oracle that can support market and optimize Solana integration, leverage Solana parallel caution and account model trade are at quotas of a single oracle event network congestion remains low even during high volatility integration composability and roadmap. Current integration Humidify is already integrated with Meso Solana routing and execution infrastructure, including and Jupyter like DFlow, Titan, OKX router, and this integration ensure that when user trade across Solana ecosystem, a significant portion of that follow natural routes into Humidify liquidity. The team is activity expanding integration with wallet from ins and list providers and portfolio management tools. An universal liquidity layer, humidify architecture is a internal general purpose new pools, and it is independent but shared. Oracle is a infrastructure coding and framework executing generation. This is paves that way for general purpose platform service for large routers and international partners. And look at the conclusion. And humidifier is represented the next phase of DeFi on Solana, from passive liquidity of activity. And thanks so much, Ibron, joining my live stream. And if you have any question, ask me come there. And token it is liquidation providers and the broader Solana community. Humidify is not just another DEX, and Humidify is presented a new category of one that combine probability and prediction with of accessibility, define how liquidity from moves and perform on Solana. So guys, let's do tokenomics option. Look this with tokenomics. So guys, look at this. Humidify is a active liquidity DEX on Solana. Humidify vision is make Solana them home, the home of the world most efficient, respective and transparent market, true internet capital market, and the protocol redefines and decentralized trading by merging on chain execution with the institutional grade market making and logic, and creating a system where liquidity is always active, adapting and optimized for performance. And Humidify solve this problem by reflecting static curves with active liquidity powered by probability and chain liquidity logic. The system and continuously adjust price and interventory based on live market condition. And since launch is June 2025, Humidify has become Solana leading DEX and processing more than 1 billion in daily volume, and often achieving over 35% of all spot trading activity on the market network. The total addressable market include every traders using Solana, major DEX aggregators, all of land which route follow through Humidify. The weight token is a community driven token being launched on Solana by Humidify, the world's most performant activity liquidity DEX. It was born from the traders and token information DFT free sale num weight and tickers weight and chain Solana max supplies 1000 million launch type token sale via Jupiter Decentraland token performance formation and with the trending of on Humidify and Metotra ability the token generation event. Token distribution, which is will be the first token launched via Jupiter Decentraland token formation platform, trust mined free sale model that combine on chain transparency with a um, configurable control. Wait list leaderboard, token distribution and release schedule. Below is a summary of the wait token as of December 1, 2025 general unlock schedule means professional unlock every 6 months or 2 years from TG. Look at this different category eco, foundation and ecosystem and labs option. And zero position of in foundation and contribution. And if you have any question, if one, না করবো. You comment this box, come back live stream very soon close. So if you know any question this token related, daily one is taken will be available for wait token or leaders and what is a unity token, power, humidify, stacking and free rebate system. And disclaimer, look, this is site is from information purpose only and information content hearing contain forward looking statement that express or involve discussion with respect and prediction and belief plan and projection and objective historical fact forward looking statement are based on expectation and other professional advice user are encouraged and could consult their own independent advisor before making this decision based on the content of this site. To offer more diverse trading option get liable support Imidify in future trading get Pardex margin loans put coffee and convert to auto invest following schedule below stay and tune and enjoy experience. And look this margin loans the loan services and margin traders for it will be available and 1510 on December 9th 2025 at same time with simple and flexible crypto loan and fixed crypto loan service will be supported and convert future will be available on 1 hour after wait spot trading goes live allowing user is instantly convert with USDT other supporting tokens and the wait auto invest future will be available 1 hour after the wait spot market goes live supporting investing আর ফ্রিজে আছে বন্ধু ফ্রিজে হ্যাঁ notes coffee and boot standing for the above perpetual contract will be available within 1 hour. The future listing trending flow. Look at this listing time is If there are significant price volatility during the free list phrase and the future listing may be delay, it will be just exist listing time according to actual market condition. So time close my live stream, and thank you so much everyone watching my live stream. I hope see you again tomorrow inshallah. So stay with me, stay tuned. Goodbye, Tata, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Goodbye, Tata.